resulting into constant damages to
Raila Odinga sat down with President William Ruto and they looked at the country and they knew the by-elections that were coming, and we agreed and we said we are going to be strategic. It is only now that I'm in Homa Bay that I can see the wisdom of their decision not to field candidates against each other. They sat down and they said in Magarini, in Kilifi, we will support the ODM candidate. In Ugunja, we will support the ODM candidate. Here in Kasipul, we will support the ODM candidate.
Some over-enthusiastic people around here, we know what you're trying to do by coming to a campaign against the president's directive in Kasipul and other places. We will not fall for your trap. We know you're trying to create confusion within the broad-based government. Whoever your agent is, murudi kwake, muambie, we are not falling in that trap. We are family in the broad-based government. Na mambo hii yote mnaleta hapa, nyinyi ndio mtaumia.
President Ruto, we feel very bad. We feel very bad that our own candidate, the ODM candidate in Kasipul, is being intimidated by the police. The election in Kasipul is being manipulated by the police when the PS for internal security is from Homa Bay. When President Ruto is our president and we are in broad-based government. It is something that though we are not in charge, we have to say we will not accept.